Okay, students, recommendation, that means when some posts, some vacancies arise in the organization, then the management in fact asks the existing employees to call someone who is well informed and who may be competent possible employee for the organization. Okay, but in fact on the basis of recommendations of the existing employees, the recruitment of the potential employees, new employees is done whenever there is a vacancy, limited number of vacancies, one or two or few posts due to transfer, due to promotion, or due to retirement, or due to termination, etc., etc. Okay, however this recommendation is widely used by the management of most of the organizations. Okay, the next one is labor contractors. You know, there happen to be some organizations in which time to time there arises a need of laborers at mass, in larger level, in larger quantities. Okay, and what happens in plantation, in cultivation, there is a need of sometimes during cultivation, when cultivation period is going on. Okay, there is a larger need of labor force. Therefore there happen to be some labor contractors who are always in touch with the organizations, who are always in touch with the producers, and whenever there is a need of the laborers, they make ensure the supply, the availability of the labor force. Okay, so this is also a traditional means of external recruitment used by the management of most of the organizations, particularly by management of those organizations where labor based activities are undertaken at larger scale. Okay, the next one is, that is telecasting. Telecasting here means by using the means of telecommunications like televisions, like radio, etc. If the advertisement regarding recruitment of the employees, possible employees is done, then it is called telecasting. Okay, in fact on televisions and on other means of communications, always the programs are organized for different vacancies in different organizations, in which the informations, all sorts of informations are given by the telecaster regarding the concerned job and regarding the requisite qualifications, and the interested candidates simply may apply for the concerned job or for the concerned post. The next one is web publishing, that is in fashion at present, and it is widely in use. It means recruitment through internet surfing. By developing the websites, there happen to be some websites like naukri.com, jobs.com, etc., which are always in contact with the job seekers and job providers both, and whenever there is a need, there is a vacancy in an organization, through these websites they can obtain the information regarding the potential employees, possible employees. So web publishing is also very important external source of recruitment. Okay students, in today's session I have discussed different sources of external recruitment, and I will discuss all these in online session also. So better you go through all these topics in detail, and if you have any queries and confusions, then make a contact with me. So I would like to say thank you till then, and see you in the next video session. Thank you very much.